What's up guys, and welcome back to yet another joyful season video. My name is Joy. If you've just stumbled across my channel, my name is Joy and you're welcome here. Be sure to subscribe, like and share this video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So today I created this beautiful makeup look, and this is my go-to makeup look. The colors are the colors that I pick out most of the time, and I created this look using the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. And I really hope that you guys will enjoy this video, so stick around and let's see how I created this look. I'm going to go right into the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, and this happens to be my go-to palette, and I'm going to go to this color right here, this brown color here, and I'm going to use it just all over my eyelid. Then, just to deepen my crease, I'll go into this color here, just to deepen my crease. And this happened to be like my go-to colors. So whenever I'm thinking of a simple glam look, this is what I go for. The colors on this palette are very pigmented, so you want to be a little bit light-handed, dust off the excess as you use it. Then I'm going to go into this color and I'm going to put it on my lid, and then afterwards I'll do this shimmery color. So this color will just help this one pop a little bit more. Okie-dokie. I'm going to go in with this deep brown shade on the outer corners of my eyes, just to intensify the look and stop it from looking so like one tone, and give some depth to my eyes. Next, I'm going to line my eyes, and for that I'm using the Makeup Forever eyeliner, and it's a liquid liner. And liquid liners can smell fierce, so I breathe in. Liner down. I'm done with my eyes, and I'll just go straight into the rest of my face. I have a foundation routine video that is up on my channel, so Please don't mind if I speed this up, just so as to not make this video any longer than it needs to be. For my foundation, I'm still using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter and I wear it in the shade 430. And to apply it, I use a beauty blender. I'm going to use a black liner to line my waterline. And then I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette, and with this deep brown shade here, just go over the black liner just to smoke it out. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Girl Bang. For my lip combo, I'm going to go in with this NYX Vintage Suede Liner, and I'm going to wear it with MAC's Taupe lipstick. Last but not least, I'm using the Makeup Forever Fix Mist and Fix just to set my makeup. So baby, unaona kwa YouTube wanadanganyanga watu hivi, mtu anainama hivi. Alafu anatokea. So sasa tafanya hiyo. So ili move yangu ya kujificha. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. I really enjoyed creating it. I really enjoyed creating this look. This is like my go-to glam look, and this is without lashes. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you exit. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye bye.